Morning everyone, welcome back and quick update on chili pepper and bell pepper. This is on my window inside. You can see growing very well and producing as well. Got some nice bell pepper over this side and chili ripening here. And I'm gonna outside now to show you what's happening outside as well with the chili and bell pepper. Okay everyone, we're outside now and these are the bell peppers outside here, and as you can see they're looking very nice, producing very well and looking fresh as well. Now these are the same from inside the house. Now we're on the chili now. Chili looking good, nice and lovely. Look at that. There's some under there. These ones struggling. I think that's because they cover. Need to remove these leaves and let some sunlight go in. Some blossom in here. This is the chili as well. Looking very nice and fresh. Over this side here, there is a Scotch Bonnet. Now this pepper was inside the house, and man, it was struggling a lot inside the house. It was looking fresh inside, and then it just started changing and going down. So I bring it outside and look at it now. Looking nice now and fluffy and fresh. I put it in this nice spot here, and it just keep on producing. Look at that. Just keep producing. Very nice. This is the update on the peppers inside and outside. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.